When was it? You tell me when it was.
So I was poised, ready to turn.
Yeah.
And I looked in.
Hello and welcome. For anyone that doesn't know me, I am Josh and this is my mock test with Nathaniel. Now Nathaniel has passed his driving test. It only took him 8 attempts and he thought he'd come out on a mock test with me. This is the short version. If you'd like to come back and see the full version, and you really should, pop back on Monday or click the subscribe button and you won't miss it.
I will also disclaim that this is my 8th driving test in total because it took me 7 times.
Confident you're going to pass today?
Oh yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah,
You got this?
Yeah, absolutely.
Smash out the water?
No worries at all.
Okay, first minor of the test. He hasn't been able to answer the tell me question, so there we go.
Your tyres should have 1.6 millimetres of tread depth.
Yeah.
Across the central 3/4.
What did you do? Get your ruler out?
You could use a ruler.
After 200 yards, turn left.
Okay, so there's an old man, bless him, walking down the left side of the road. He obviously didn't fancy the pavement with all the snow on there, so he thought he'd take a stroll down the edge of the road. Nathaniel's still talking, so he still hasn't seen the guy walking down the road. But it is unusual. Now, this is the sort of random thing you're going to end up getting on your driving test, which can really throw the situation and also make the examiner really, really nervous.
So I had in my head that like I was going to smash this, but now I'm being examined.
On the road?
What's he doing?
I really don't know.
Does he even know I'm here?
I really don't know.
Okay, sunshine, I'll let you pass. Wow, that was
very interesting.
Sorry to the person behind. Check my mirror there.
As you can see here, we're going for a little corner cut here onto the other side of the road. Nathaniel doesn't even know that he's done it because he's probably that used to doing it that he doesn't even pick up on it. This would be a serious fault on your driving test.
Yes, that was interesting.
You wouldn't feel great if that was on your test, would you?
Absolutely not, no. You'd do a poo, wouldn't you?
You really would.
Turn left.
Would you say that was more than three car lengths?
100%.
As Nathaniel's just kindly pointed out, he has put the clutch down more than 3 car lengths away, so this is known as coasting.
Icy. Not too far away from the curve there.
No, it's fine. It's absolutely fine. You are parked in front of a junction though, aren't you?
I mean, somewhat.
What? Two car lengths from the edge of the junction?
Well, yeah, I suppose I'm a bit close.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah.
A little bit on the close
Did you do that
side.
on purpose?
I didn't.
Now Nathaniel realises where he stopped. He now wants to quickly move the car and he forgets to check his blind spot. There's another minor.
Stop us here, mate. I didn't stop us here. You stopped us here.
You the piss take.
When the examiner says, can you pull over on the left, you choose when it's safe to stop, not me.
Wait a minute. I hadn't stopped yet, I was just...
Did you just check your blind spot when you drove off?
Yes.
Okay, so if you're not optimally driving, what's the examiner going to
What have I
think
told
of
you?
that situation? He's going to give you a minor for it.
He would not give me a mind if
Give
going
you
on the mountain about it.
Okay, so Nat shouldn't be signalling here because it's actually a continuous road, but the sat-nav's throwing him off a little bit. We're going to let him off that. What we're not going to let him off is he's in the wrong gear. He's in 3rd gear in a really tight corner where he should be doing less than 10 miles an hour, which caused him to go to the wrong side of the road. So this is his 3rd serious fault.
That's not a right turn, is it? It's a
not.
continuation.
No, but I'm going to let you off that one. Okay.
She's
Go.
confusing me.
On the wrong side of the road,
Yeah,
though.
I didn't know the side. I was avoiding the ice.
That's all right. Okay. Okay, that's all right. Yeah, I see what you're saying with the signal. And if it was a 30-mile-an-hour road, I'd be like, yeah, absolutely. When was it? You tell me when it was.
So I was poised, ready to turn,
Yeah.
and I looked in. I was like, I was going about probably about 4 miles an hour, maybe a bit slow, maybe 2. I was ready to go into the turn, and I was like this.
That's when I said you haven't looked in your mirror.
Well, that's when I was looking in my mirror.
Okay, right. So we didn't do a reversing manoeuvre or a manoeuvre of any form. We did do the pulling over from the left, but we're going to call it there. All right, we've done a full 40 minutes.
Cool.
So turn the car off when you're ready. And tell me how you think you did.
I feel like I could have done better.
Okay. Anywhere specific?
All of it.
All right. Did you pass?
I felt like I had some periods of like strong driving.
Yeah, definitely. There was some strong driving in there, at least for 20 seconds of it at some point.
I'll take that. But yeah, there's definitely a lot of mistakes in there, wasn't there?
There was a few. Was there anything serious in there?
I don't think there's anything serious.
No. Okay, good.
I think perhaps mine is sort of. Is it 5 in the same category you're allowed?
Yeah, 5 in the same category. Yeah.
I think that's changed for now.